Panimur Jalapraphat, Panimur waterfalls. You can see here the Panimur waterfalls, the beauty of Assam. It is situated in Dima Hasao district of Assam. Very beautiful, very beautiful. You can see here the Panimur waterfalls. The Panimur waterfalls, which is the most beautiful waterfall in Dima Hasao district. One of the most beautiful waterfalls in Assam, which is the most beautiful waterfalls in Dima Hasao district. This is the Panimur waterfalls. If you want to enjoy the natural beauty, you can come here to enjoy the beauties of the waterfalls, the Panimur waterfalls. The Panimur waterfalls is one of the most beautiful waterfalls in Assam, not only in Assam, but also in India. You can also see the Puka falls. This falls is situated in the Kopili river. Here I am standing in Dima Hasao near the Puka waterfalls, near the Panimur waterfalls. This is the Panimur waterfall, and in the opposite bank of the river you can see the Puka waterfalls. Those are Puka waterfalls. Puka picnic spot. Puka is situated in the opposite directions of this river, the Kopili river, and here this is the Panimur waterfalls. Panimur waterfalls, one of the most beautiful waterfalls in Assam. You can come to see the beauties of nature.